attracting more customers to your business using Groupon. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm speaking about how to attract more customers to your business online using Groupon. Now, you may know Groupon as a website where you can go to access some great local deals for maybe a restaurant that's near you or a hair salon or so on and so forth, but it's also a fabulous place for you to actually promote your business. Groupon has millions of subscribers that you can market to essentially for free. There is no upfront cost to marketing a product or a service using Groupon's website, and you can access their subscriber list, or you can also put one of your deals that your company is currently having and have it listed on their website. Although there is no upfront cost to market on Groupon, they do take 50% of whatever sales are made through their site. This also highlights a downside to using Groupon, which is that a lot of the people who are on there are there looking for deals, they're there looking for discounts, so you're going to have to slice your prices for your deal to even look attractive to the people who are looking on Groupon's website. And in addition to cutting your normal prices, you're actually going to have to share a piece of the pie and whatever sales are made with Groupon itself. So the people who do come through your doors as a result of Groupon are likely very low paying customers. So it can be difficult for you to really make a profitable margin from the people who actually access your company's products or services through Groupon. However, Groupon is more of a website that you use to acquire a customer more than acquiring a sale. Now, I speak about these kinds of stuff in my marketing videos where I talk about how to create a sales funnel, and I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can access that video. However, you want to think about Groupon as a way to actually acquire a customer, someone who is long-term, rather than just creating and generating sales. And essentially what I mean by this is Groupon is a way for new customers to discover you and to keep purchasing from you so that they're loyal customers of yours. So for example, let's say you have a hair salon and you market that hair salon on Groupon. Rather than trying to, just generate sales, you actually want to use that Groupon as a way to be discovered by new people who actually come through the door and then become loyal customers and pay you again and again and again over time. And that's how you're going to get your return on your investment on your Groupon. Similarly, you might have a product that you promote on Groupon and you might actually upsell people. So when they come into your store, or maybe even your online store, they come essentially to purchase whatever it is that they got from Groupon, but you want to upsell them. You don't want that to be the only product that they leave with. You want to try and get them to add other things to their basket as well, maybe things that complement the product that you had on your Groupon. So you really want to be strategic with how you do this. I think sometimes entrepreneurs, we can be so focused on generating sales that we forget that that's not where the money is, that's not where the longevity is. It's in acquiring customers who offer us repeat business and who become brand advocates and tell their friends and their families and maybe even their social following about our product or our service. And a lot of business owners can miss out on a great opportunity to advertise on a platform like Groupon, which has millions of subscribers and people going onto their site on a daily basis at times to find products and services just like yours and discover new businesses on a consistent basis. So hopefully after watching this video, you have a better understanding of what Groupon is and how it can help you to increase sales to your products or your services online. If this video did help you out, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.